This week's AI developments have been nothing short of revolutionary, with multiple major releases that could reshape the entire industry. Figma Make introduces prompt-to-code capabilities, Google's Gemini update climbs the leaderboard, OpenAI is acquiring Windsurf for $3 billion, and a lot more. If you're ready to dive into the most significant AI updates, hit that subscribe button and let's explore what's new. Figma shocked the design world with their new AI-powered feature called Figma Make. This prompt-to-code capability transforms how designers create functional prototypes of websites and applications. Instead of simply designing the UI, Figma Make allows you to turn those designs into working code using what they call vibe coding, essentially describing the functionality you want and having AI generate the code. According to Figma's blog, Make lets you quickly explore, iterate, and refine designs with AI, turning them into functional prototypes that actually work. This represents a major shift for Figma, doubling their product offering beyond just design tools. Now they're directly competing with Adobe, WordPress, and Canva by enabling end-to-end creation from design to deployment. Figma Make is currently in beta, with full release planned in the coming weeks. Speaking of coding, Google has dramatically raised the bar with Gemini 2.5 Pro's latest update. The I/O edition represents a breakthrough in AI coding capabilities, ranking #1 on both LMA Arena for coding and the Web Dev Arena leaderboard, dethroning Claude 3.7 Sonnet, which previously held the top spot. What makes this particularly significant is that Google has focused specifically on enhancing coding capabilities, especially for building interactive web applications. Developers can now quickly sketch prototype ideas, feed them into Gemini's multimodal system, and immediately generate working code. The update includes improved capabilities for building rich, interactive web apps with remarkable efficiency. This Gemini update isn't just incremental. It's a strategic move that positions Google at the frontier of AI development ahead of their annual I/O conference. It's also a direct challenge to Anthropic's Claude, which had built its reputation largely on superior coding abilities. Google's iteration speed is accelerating, and we're seeing a clear shift in the competitive landscape. The battle for AI supremacy continues with Mistral AI's release of Mistral Medium 3, their new frontier-class multimodal model. Available on Mistral the platform and Amazon SageMaker, with IBM Watson X integration coming soon, Medium 3 is designed to deliver top-tier performance at a significantly lower cost than competitors. What makes Medium 3 remarkable is its efficiency-to-performance ratio. According to the Mistral blog, the model outperforms both GPT-4.0 and Claude 3.7 in coding, language processing, and multimodal capabilities while costing substantially less. Priced at $0.4 per million input tokens and $2 per million output tokens, compared to Claude 3.7's higher rates, Mistral is positioning Medium 3 as the smarter economic choice for enterprises. Meanwhile, FutureHouse has launched what they're calling super intelligent AI agents, specifically designed for scientific discovery. Founded by Sam Rodriguez, this non-profit organization has developed 4 specialized AI tools: Crow, Falcon, Owl, and Phoenix, each targeting different aspects of scientific research. These agents can analyze millions of scientific papers in minutes, helping researchers overcome information overload. Crow searches scientific literature to answer complex questions, while Falcon specializes in literature review. Owl focuses on analyzing methodology and experimental design, and Phoenix helps design new experiments. Available on their platform, these tools aim to dramatically accelerate the pace of scientific discovery, particularly in biology. In a massive acquisition, OpenAI has agreed to buy Windsurf, formerly known as Codium, for approximately $3 billion. This represents OpenAI's largest acquisition to date, bringing an AI-assisted coding tool under their umbrella. Windsurf provides intelligent code completion, generation, and transformation capabilities that integrate directly into development environments. Why is this acquisition significant? It signals OpenAI's strategic shift from model supremacy to ecosystem control. By acquiring the second-largest AI-first IDE, OpenAI is positioning itself to compete directly with GitHub Copilot, owned by Microsoft, in the developer tools space. This move suggests OpenAI recognizes that owning the interfaces where AI is deployed may be as important as the models themselves. Finally, Anthropic has introduced their Web Search API, giving Claude access to current information from across the internet. Available on the Anthropic API for $10 per 1,000 searches, plus standard token costs. This tool enables developers to build AI agents and applications that tap into real-time information without needing to manage separate search integrations. The API includes multi-hop search and query refinement based on prior context and searches, allowing Claude to perform sequential searches to answer complex questions. This puts Anthropic in direct competition with OpenAI and Google in the race to create AI systems with real-time knowledge. If you found this breakdown helpful, subscribe and hit the like button to stay updated on the latest in AI developments.